3rd October 2020 Morning Murli Om Shanti Babdada Madhuban. Sweet children, after going into 84 motors, the batteries of you souls have become dull. Now charge them fully by staying on the pilgrimage of remembrance. Question: which children does Baba consider to be very fortunate? Answer: Baba tells the children who don't have any complications and who remain free from the bondage. You are very fortunate children. By staying in remembrance, you can charge your batteries fully. If you simply relate knowledge but you have no yoga, the arrow cannot strike the target. No matter how brilliantly you relate your experience, if you don't practice what you speak about, your conscience will continue to bite you. Om Shanti. The spiritual father explains to the sweetest spiritual children what is the name of the spiritual father. Shiv Baba. He is God, the unlimited father. A human being can never be called the unlimited father, Ishwar or God. Although many people have the name Shiva, they are all bodily beings. This is why they cannot be called God. The father sits here and explains this to the children. This is the last of the many births of the one whose body I have entered. Many people ask you why you call this one God. From the beginning, the Father has explained that no physical or subtle bodily being can be called God. Subtle bodily beings are resident of the subtle region. They are called deities. The highest on high is God, the Supreme Father. His name is the highest on high and his place of residence is the highest on high. The Father resides there with all souls. The place where he sits is also the highest. In fact, there is no place to sit there. Do stars sit anywhere? They just stand, do they not? Souls also stand there with their own power. You souls receive such power that you go and stand there. The Father's name is the Almighty Authority. You receive power from Him. When you souls remember Him, your batteries become charged. Just as a motor car has a battery and the car works with the battery. When the battery is charged by a current, the car works. Then the battery gradually becomes discharged. The battery then has to be connected to the main power to be recharged and is then put back into the motor car again. Those are limited matters. Here it is an unlimited aspect. Your batteries last for 5000 years, then gradually while moving along it becomes weak. You can tell that it hasn't completely discharged. It stays a little charge just as a torch becomes dim. This soul is the battery of this body. This too becomes dull. This battery leaves the body and then goes into a second and a third motor. The soul goes into 84 motors. So the Father says, you have become once with such dull heads and stone intellects. Now recharge your batteries again. Souls cannot become pure without remembering the Father. It is only with the one Almighty Authority Father that you have to have yoga. The Father Himself gives you His own introduction, what He is like, and He tells you how the batteries of you souls become dull. I am now advising you to remember me so that your batteries can become Satopradhan and first class. Souls become 24 karat when they become pure. At the moment you are mixed with alloy, your strength has completely finished. That beauty is no longer there. The Father now explains to you, children, the main thing is to stay in yoga and become pure. Otherwise, the batteries will not become charged. You won't be able to have yoga. There are many who give knowledge like a cockerel. Although they relate knowledge, they don't have that stage. Here, they relate their experience with a lot of brilliance. Their consciousness bites them inside because their stage isn't equal to what they speak about. There are yogi children too. The father praises the children a lot. The father says, "Children, you are very, very fortunate. You don't have any complications. Those who have many children also have a lot of bondage. Baba had so many children, he has to take care of everyone. Baba also has to stay in remembrance. The remembrance of the beloved should become very firm. On the path of devotion, you were remembering the Father so much. Oh God, He is the one you worship first. First, it is incorporeal God who is worshipped. It isn't that you become soul conscious at that time. Those who are soul conscious would not worship anyone. The Father explains when devotion first begins, it is the one Father who is worshipped first. It is Shiva alone who is worshipped. As are the king and queen, so are the subjects. The highest on high is God. Only He must be remembered. Everyone below Him, like Brahma, Vishnu and Shankar, don't need to be remembered. Only the highest on high, Father, has to be remembered. However, the part in the drama is such that you are bound to come down. The Father explains how you come down. The Father explains everything from the beginning to the end and from the top to the bottom. Devotion is also Satopradhan at first and it then becomes Sato, Rajo and Tamo. You are now becoming Satopradhan once again. It is this that requires efforts. You have to become pure. Check yourself to see that Maya is not deceiving you. Do I have criminal eyes? Do I have any thought of committing sin? Since Prajapita Brahma is remembered, his children must be Brahmins, brothers and sisters. Worldly Brahmins too consider themselves to be children of Brahma. You Brahmins are brothers and sisters. So why do you have vicious vision? You can give very good drishti to the worldly Brahmins. You children understand that the children of Brahma now become Brahmins and then deities. It is said that the Father comes and establishes the Brahmin and deity religions. This is something to be understood. You children of Brahma have become brothers and sisters. Therefore, there should be no pull of bad vision. You have to prevent that. This one is my sweet sister. There should be that love. Let the love that there is in a blood connection change into spiritual love. Even though this is called easy remembrance, it does require a lot of effort. Consider yourself to be souls and remember the Father. You must not have any vision of vice. Baba has explained that your eyes deceive you a lot. They have to be transformed. I am a soul. At this time, we are Shiv Baba's children. We brothers and sisters have been adopted. We call ourselves Brahma Kumars and Kumaris. There will then be a difference in your behavior. It is a teacher's duty to ask everyone in class, do you think that your vision is that of brothers and sisters, or is there some mischief? If someone doesn't speak the truth in front of the If someone doesn't speak the truth in front of the true Father but tells lies, a lot of punishment will be experienced. In a court, they have to take the oath to speak the truth in front of God, the truth. A child of the true Father would also be truthful. The Father is the truth. He only speaks the truth. All the rest are lies. They call themselves Shri Shri 108. In fact, that is a rosary of beads that is turned. They don't even know why they turn the beads of rosary. Christians too have a rosary. Buddhists also have a rosary. All of them turn the beads of their rosaries in their own way. You children have now received knowledge. Tell them the tassel at the top of the rosary of 108 symbolizes the incorporeal one. Everyone remembers him. It is by remembering him that we become queens of heaven, that is, we become empresses. To become Lakshmi or Narayan from an ordinary woman or man is to become the velvet kings and queens of the Sun dynasty. Later on, they become cotton ones, less value. Therefore, keep such points in your intellect so that you can explain them to others. Your name will then be glorified. Speak like a lioness. You are the Shiv Shakti army. There are many types of army. Go to other places and just see what they teach everyone. Hundreds of thousands of people go there. Baba has explained that criminal eyes deceive you a lot. You should speak about your stage, relate your own experience and how you live at home and how it affects your stage. Keep a diary. For how long do I maintain this stage? The father explains Maya becomes very powerful and fight with the powerful ones. This is a battlefield, is it not? Maya is very powerful. Maya means the five vices. Money is called wealth. Those who have a lot of wealth are the ones who become like Ajamil, means great sinner. The father says, first of all, you have to save the prostitutes. They will then create their own association. We want to claim our inheritance from the father. The father says, I have come to make you into the master of the land of Shiva, means the Shivalaya. This is your last birth. Tell the prostitutes, it was because of you that Bharat lost its honor. The father has now come to take you to the land of Shiva. According to the Srimad, we have come to you. You must now become the master of the world and glorify the name of Bharat like we are doing. We are also becoming pure by remembering the father. You must stop doing that dirty business for one birth. Have mercy and your name will be glorified a great deal. People will then say, you have such power that you have made them stop doing their dirty business. Everyone has an association. You can also create your own association and take help whatever you want from the government. Therefore, now serve those who do dirty business and who defame the name of Bharat. Your union also has to be very strong. 10 to 12 of you people can go and explain to them. There should be very good mothers. If a new couple comes, tell them we remain pure. It is only by becoming pure that you become the master of the world. So, why should you not remain pure? A whole group of you should go and explain. Say with a lot of humanity, we have come to give you the message of the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Destruction is now just ahead. The Father says, I have come to uplift everyone. You mustn't indulge in vice for this one birth. Tell them we Brahma Kumars and Kumaris are serving Bharat with our own bodies, minds and wealth. We are not asking for alms. We are the children of God. Make such plans. It isn't that you can't help. Do such work that you are praised. Thousands will emerge to help you. Create your own gatherings. Select the main ones. Hold seminars. Many will emerge who can look after the children. Just keep yourself busy doing God's service. Let your hearts be so generous that you can quickly go and do service. On the one side, do this service, and on the other side, do the service of the Gita. Take these things up together as a group. You are studying to become Lakshmi and Narayan. Therefore, you children mustn't have any conflict of opinions among yourself here. If you hide something from the father and don't tell him the truth, you cause yourself a loss. You will accumulate 100-fold more punishment. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bab Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Essence for the dharana. First point, we are the children of the sweet father. We have to live together as sweet brothers and sisters. Never have any vision of vice. If there is any mischief in your vision, tell the truth to the spiritual surgeon. Second point, never have any conflict of opinion amongst yourself. Be generous hearted and do service with great humanity with your body, mind and wealth, and give everyone the Father's message. Blessing. May you become Maya proof and give the practical proof of God's knowledge with your elevated life. Explanation. By considering yourself to be a practical example and prove God's knowledge, you will become Maya proof. Practical proof is your elevated pure life. The biggest thing that becomes possible from impossible is living in a household while having an attitude of being beyond and remaining beyond the awareness of bodies and relations of the physical world. When you see but not see with the eyes of the old body, the things of the old world, it means you are leading a life of total purity. This is the easy way to reveal God and to become Maya proof. Slogan. If the guards of attention are working well, you cannot lose your treasures of supersensuous joy. Om Shanti.